I am a winner.
I'm going to ask you one last question. Are you here to win it?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
I pray you'll be alright.
That's his voice?
Watch us where we go. And help us to be wise. In times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer. When shadows fill our day, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace. You must wait so well Sogniamo un mondo senza violenza, un mondo di giustizia e speranza. Ognuno vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. E la fede che hai acceso io. Sento che ci
I was not expecting that voice.
Oh my God. That was so unique. You are a beautiful, wonderful singer with a young woman trapped inside of you.
Thank you so much.
I want to see something different, something unique, and Marcelito, you just gave that to us.
Thank
It was
you.
absolutely brilliant.
Incredible, incredible.
Honestly, this is one of the craziest things I've ever heard in my entire life. Your voice, your range, your sound is just so out of this world.
Howie Bridget?
Howie, you actually should do it. I think it'd be amazing.
You are so worthy of the Golden Buzzer, and I think you're one of the most incredible singers. But this is very early in the night, and I can only choose one. So I'm going to keep my Golden Buzzer. But it's up to our super fans, and I hope they vote you through.
That was what I call a 10. As simple as that. I have a feeling that the superfans will put you through to the next round.
Come on, super fans.
Come on, super fans.
Super fans.
Find out.
Super fans. Super fans. Super fans.
You are amazing, sir. We will see what the super fans have to say at the end of the night.
When you feel like you have seen it all, I have never seen anything like this ever.
Coming up.
Welcome to America. You've made your mark.
I've got a bad feeling about this.